Did you know 9 experienced hikers fled their tent into a deadly blizzard wearing almost nothing? And nobody knows why? This actually happened in 1959 in Russia's Ural Mountains. The Dyatlov Pass incident remains one of history's most terrifying mysteries. 9 skilled hikers set up camp during a routine expedition. Something made them cut their way out of their tent from the inside during a fierce snowstorm. They ran into the freezing wilderness barely clothed. Searchers found their bodies weeks later. The injuries were impossible to explain. One hiker was missing her tongue and eyes. Others had fatal internal damage, but no external wounds. Their clothes tested positive for radiation. The Soviet government immediately classified the case for decades. Investigators ruled out an avalanche, animal attack, or human violence. Military experiments, secret weapons, even paranormal encounters became the theories. The case has been reopened multiple times. Each investigation raises more questions than answers. What could terrify experienced mountaineers so much that they'd choose certain death in a blizzard over staying in their tent? Follow for more mysteries that defy explanation.